On the event of Navratri Special, our Speakers and Anchors Club of Presence University had organized something called Tanisi. The moment I heard that name, I was wondering whose is this girl that Priyank Soni is trying to name. So that was the first doubt. But what does Tanisi mean actually?
Actually, Tanisi means goddess Durga.
Right. Then
Yeah.
it is a girl's name.
Yeah,
I
it's a
wasn't
girl's
wrong.
name, but it is goddess name too.
Right.
Yeah.
I wasn't wrong as always with girls' name, is it?
Yeah, obviously.
But yes, we have the panel here. So let's walk up there, and we have everybody who's put on the wonderful effort there. Can we all please clap for them first? It was fantastic. It was really nice that Speakers and Anchors Club did this. But let us not say who's won first, who's won second, because that is a competition, but not for the world to know, right? Isn't
Exactly,
it?
exactly,
Isn't it?
exactly.
So let us go for it and ask who spoke on what lines, because you being the main student coordinator,
Yeah.
and please let us know. And she anchored it beautifully, I feel.
Yeah, she's a moderator.
Yes.
Right, moderate. एकता सब एकता में थे या बिखर गए थे?
एकता में थे,
एकता
बहुत
में-
अच्छे से थे.
How was it? How was everybody
It
spoken?
was wonderful. Not only the winners, but everyone spoke very nicely. Every emotion was expressed very, very, very nicely. It was too good, and I enjoyed a lot.
Right. Ankita being one of the coordinators of the team, she said, I also want one prize. So she's also on the stage. Ankita, who gave you the prize?
Noor Fatima ma'am, Priyank Soni,
Oh God,
support
she's
is more than enough.
Oh, support is more than enough. I thought you're blaming them.
No, I'm just crediting everyone because, trust me, like this entire thing, it was a huge success. It was a huge success at the end of it, and we are very happy. And each and every person, they spoke so well about their respective emotions. And I'm really happy. That's my emotion right now.
Right. Fantastic. But can you like summarize what you spoke? Can you please summarize what you spoke?
I basically spoke about having, peace with your own past. That is to move forward and to experience your present so that you have a better future.
Right. And forget the past as soon as possible.
Not forget, it's to accept your past, to have the learnings. Forgetting is not right. Forgetting is not right. You need to accept it. You need to take the good things from it and just make your life better with it.
Too deep like a guy for me. It bounces off, but it's still nice. But it's fantastic. Hi, what's your name?
My name is Kavya.
Yes, Kavya. Can you like summarize what you actually spoke on the Navratri event?
Actually, I was speaking about the emotion laughter.
Okay.
So it is like it's the most important emotion that it should be there in everyone's life. So it will just make someone's day better if you just compliment them and everything, So I
Can you
would
please
just-
laugh for us?
Yeah.
Yeah. Right. My day is better. Fine. But yeah, actually nice. Actually, really well said, because many people forget to laugh or smile. So that is more important. And we have the faculty coordinator herself, Professor Noorman. Can we hear it for her, please? Claps on that. Because she's been the backbone. She's been the spinal cord, I should be saying, for Speakers and Anchors Club. Ma'am, did they speak well?
First of all, I would like to say that I'm not doing anything at all, first of all, okay, to tell you the truth. We have the coordinators. I mean, I don't really have to say anything that they have to do it this way or that way. Okay, they initiated everything. It was first, I remember, even today when Priyank came to me, approached me, and he was the one who initiated this. He had this idea. And I was very much like, I was not confident at all, because I thought, this is going to be messing up with the other things as I would be doing, and I may not really be coordinating very well. And then when he started with a different, I can say that he was so confident about his own, perspective, whatever that he wanted to do. And he, along with, after that, we have Ankita here, okay, beautiful coordinators. Along with these two people, it came out so well that I started hearing from everybody around about this club. Yes, and even from DSA, I heard a very good comment about you people. Okay, more than whatever they are doing. Okay, I'm really happy about their approach, their way of adapting to the situations. Okay, this is very, very important, and they're doing it very well.
Ma'am, tell me something. How talkative is this Priyank Soni? Can you like hear him for half an hour totally, completely? Because he talks for half an hour.
I cannot say that.
On the video. Ma'am can't say that on the video.
I cannot talk about that, okay, because he is really good about all the things.
But the love is there always. That is
Yes, that is there. That is there.
Bura mat man to tera gal, look at him, he's blushing. Right, and we have the judge for the day here. Ma'am, it was nice for your feedback also to be coming after they have spoken about what they had to speak and all that. How was the competition? What did you feel about it?
See, post-COVID era, it's really feels good that I am back in place again to see these people talking. And because pre-COVID era, we used to have these kind of activities a lot, and this was not a competition. Everyone is a winner for me, and it's face-to-face interaction really feels great, and we will.
Yeah, I just wanted to ask, according to you, what Navratri is? It's of course demolishing the evil, and wonderful name for the event as well. It was really well thought by Priyanka and the team as well. But according to you, what is demolishing evil?
The sins which are inside ourselves, demolishing them. It's not about religion or one festival. I guess all the festivals. So Navratri believes in it. I'm a follower of Ma Durga, and I believe that if I can kill the little sins that I do and think before I act, that will fulfill the purpose.
Fantastic. And also, not just doing some sins, even thinking of some sin, demolishing the thinking also.
Thought process. Control over the thought. That is one of the major aspects of Navratri. Because that is Kam, Krodh, Lobh, Moh, Ahankar. And this 5 sins, if we can overcome, then we reach salvation. Salvation is nothing which is above the world. That is salvation.
Fantastic. See, Ankita, even I am started to think. It's not too deep for me also. I started to understand. Yeah? Nice, we have Deepika also here. Because Deepika told me that, she's going to wear white dress and we're going to twin along. So that's why I wore it, Deepika, for you. But Deepika, how was it?
It was a very good experience because after a really long time speaking in front of crowd after the COVID, I guess it was a little scary. But at the same time, it gives us so much of confidence. It feels we are back normal.
Right, that is the best feeling that we want. And this Navratri, the biggest evil I think is COVID, right?
Yeah, I think that is the thing we are all battling right now.
Right. And let's demolish as soon as possible. Hi, what's your name?
Aprajita.
Aprajita. सबको अपराजित कर दिया आपने. My God.
I mean, what can I say?
How was the whole experience?
It was good. It was my first time taking part in a competition in this college, and it was an amazing experience.
And you won a prize.
Yeah.
Right, there we go. First time and she's won a prize and fantastic. And also, all thanks to the whole team of Speakers and Anchors Club. Guys, fantastic. Very well done. Claps for you guys, really. Very well done. Superb. Keep up that good work always, Priyank. We will again meet you off the video and make sure you keep talking to me and I keep hearing it to you half an hour continuously. Thank you so much. Keep watching more videos on our channel. Thank you, Priyank. Thank you so much.